Good morning, OPOS stars. Let's see how to cook with vegetable substitutes in the Besan wali Sabji. I'll start with chopping a cup of snake gourd or any vegetable you might have. You also start the stopwatch. So chop it the way you like. This should give around a cup. Let me take a couple of tablespoons of oil. Mix a bit of salt with this. Add it on one side as a single layer. And take some besan. This is unroasted besan. Using roasted besan is even better. Or if you can blend roasted chickpeas into a flour or use sattu flour, it's even better. Take around a quarter cup of this. That should be around quarter cups. And now mix in a bit of salt, a bit of masala, whatever masalas you like. Can just be plain chili powder if you want. A bit of oil. You can just make this with oil or maybe a bit of water if you like. Try to get the consistency of wet sand. So this is going to be nothing but besan dumplings or a chickpea flour pasta. This is nothing but fresh pasta made with the chickpea flour. You can either layer them over the vegetable or have them touch the bottom if you want a slightly roasted effect, but you'll also risk burning. Let's see how it works. I'm just going to take a risk and layer them. Layer some on the vegetable and some touching the bottom, hoping that the water content in this will prevent it from burning in 5 minutes or so. So do not cook longer than that. Otherwise you might face severe burning. I'm going to close, cook this on high for 2 whistles or around 5 minutes. If you are a newbie, please do not attempt these recipes. Understand pressure baking thoroughly before you move on to advanced recipes. Now these recipes can help you add a bit of protein to your daily diet without going through the hassle of cooking dal, or this can help you stretch the vegetables, whatever vegetables you have. If you are facing a scarcity of fresh vegetables, as many of us do during this quarantine period, a besan would be an excellent way to stretch the vegetables. It can also work as a vegetable substitute by itself, as in many curries. Zunka, petle, and all these Marathi curries rely heavily on this fact. And the desert cuisine of Rajasthan, where fresh vegetables are all rare year-round, uses besan extensively in its curries as vegetable substitutes. So we'll just mix in a bit of bottle tadka once it is done. I expect to see some mild charring at the bottom where besan touched the base, but I don't think it's going to be severe. We can also look this as a variant of the Tamil usli, where we use soaked and blended dal. Instead of that, we are using just gram flour. Okay, I'm getting a roasted smell, not a burnt smell though. There is some white smoke, which indicates that there is a slight burning. That's one. I let it go for one more whistle. That's it. Switch off. Release the pressure. Yeah, I can smell something burning. Probably the besan at the base. Let's see. There is a bit of charring. Don't scrape it off. Let it go. And instead just take the that's how it looks. I've used unroasted besan, but I don't get a raw smell in this. If raw smell is a problem, I suggest you use roasted besan. Okay? And this is a simple way to stretch your vegetables and pack a bit of protein. So try this out and please post your feedbacks.